Mandazi is one of my favorite snack, and whenever it comes on having with coffee or tea, this is the best. And here I will show you how I make this mandazi. This video is divided into two parts. One part is to make the big ones, and the next part is to make the small ones. As you see here, I have 5 cups of flour. Using hot oil, it's optional. It doesn't matter any oil you use, warm or hot, always good. Now let's add some baking powder, and this is sugar. You need to mix all together before you add wet ingredients. Now here's some milk. For all the recipes, please check in the description box and you will have all measurements. Did you also know if you can enjoy mandazi with soup, with avocado, like with anything you would like to have with? This video, I will show you also how I enjoy this mandazi with avocado, and also for the small mandazi, I will show you how to keep them when I make them. So stay where you are and enjoy watching.